Hello everyone, hello. How are you guys? It's a very wild day for Forex pair today. DXY is dropping. It was going upside. Nice one. Hello, hello. Can you hear me guys? Loud and clear. Gold is going up from this order block. My next target would be 4750 level. This one. This would be a very good level for gold right now. Nice. Good evening, good evening. Four seven five zero is a good level because it's a very psychological level. It's a whole number. It's same like uh, this is also market for gold market. Let's say if you are buying some stuff from a grocery or something like that. Let's say you are and your bill is around uh, let's say fraction number like uh, 997 or 994 like that. So psychologically you will feel like it will go for, you can go for 1000. So same like that, it will work like that. So that's why 4750 it's a very good psychological level. So I'm expecting this level to be reached by goal. It's almost reached the level. Ooh, this is wild, bro. This is wild. Fuck. Nice one. Nice rally on goal. Anybody taking any trade so far for today? Sorry guys, sorry. Brother Pamel, please share me this one. So you can see over here. So from on this day, on Friday, gold is closing on this price. This is somewhere around 4596 level. And on Monday, it was opening over here. This candle opening is here. So from this closing price, Friday's closing price to this Monday opening price, there is a gap. That is from this closing price to this opening price. This is called a gap. And this gap is called a volume gap. Okay, this gap is called a volume gap. So you need to be very careful about that. Like it's a very different story. Like somewhere here, you can see a small volume gap over here again. So it's called a volume gap. And when you see in on some charts, this is on Oenda, let's check on forex.com, this one, you will not see that gap. See, you can't see that gap. So that's why you need to be very careful about that. Or you need to have a very good knowledge about gap and how can you use about it as for your advantage. Can you hear me right now, guys? Please let me know. It's going down. I hope GU can retest this level once again and go for higher, but let's see. Silver is getting lower, so it will be very, very volatile. And for me, it's already happening around 30 minutes back. I was doing live on Trading TV. So I call an entry over here for this 1 hour order block. So this could be a very good buy for me, but I don't like this kind of price action over here. That's why I miss this as well. EU is giving some kind of retracement. It can take out these lows very easily. But in Euro USD, if it retests to this level and respect this order block, plus this would be breaker block for Euro USD, then it can go higher from this level. Retracement until to this level and go higher. And guys, please very careful if you are trading in any assets right now. Right now means today, for this particular week and months. Please very careful and respect your risks, and don't force yourself to took any trade, because it will be very difficult nowadays. It will be lots and lots of manipulation happening in the market. Nice 100. If it goes down one more time, then it will be, I will be looking for another buy setup, but for now I don't have any good setup forming on Nasdaq and S&P 500. And guys, should I start a challenge, a $100 challenge? First of all, it will be $100 challenge, uh, from to turn $100 to $1,000. It will be the first challenge. Then second challenge would be, I will turn $500 to $10,000. That would be the second challenge, a starting challenge. Everything will be live, and everything will be transparent, and I will upload in my Instagram as well, updates. And guys, I will give you a very good insight about daily bias. First of all, as of my opinion and as of my experience, the most important thing is that we have to understand the direction of the market. If you are trading in 1 minute time frame, 5 minute, 1 hour, it doesn't matter. You need to understand the direction of the market. If you understand the direction of the market, then it's very easy that you can find your entry or your setup. That's secondary. But first of all, you need to understand the direction. So to understand the direction, in my previous life, I give some form of a very basic setup. It will help you a lot. If you're not watching that, just watch that one after this live. And in especially for forex market, if your bias is bullish, then let's say your bias is bullish in higher time frame, in daily or weekly time frame. Then let's say this is Asian session. Okay, this is Asian session. Then after that, in London session, you just wait for some kind of manipulation downside. In this manipulation, it can fill previous gap, fair value gap, or it could be volume gap, or it can take some kind of previous low liquidity. It can do previous low liquidity. And if you are bullish, then as of power of 3, this could be the manipulation. It will be most of the time, not always time. Most of the time, 90% of the time, it will happen on London session manipulation. Okay, then wait for this break of structure, at least for confirmation. And within this range, from this low to this high, if you see any fair value gap, or over here it would be some sort of breaker block, then that could be your entry level. Wait for that retracement, and it can do like this furthermore. It may be in it can happen within London session, or it can extend it until New York session. This would be a very simple and very effective kind of a strategy or setup, I would say. It's not moving right now, and I hope uh, moving is done for the day. It's almost moving off in Asia session and London session. The move is already giving. So for Forex pair, I'm not expecting that much rally on the market. Let me check some pairs Euro JPY, because it would be very volatile. See, it's a very big upside. That's why Euro USD and ZBB USD, we can see some sort of divergence. So divergence is a good for me because I can go with my perfect setup. That's why Euro USD is going higher and GU is stucking around over here. Mm, Nasdaq, S&P 500, closing in 1.5 hours. What about 4 hour? 4 hour is just starting. Let me check. Let me check. Nice one. I'm doing some kind of a back testing over here. This would be nice. This is 1 to 1. Okay. For silver, $100 is a very good target. Let's, mm, and guys, in this kind of volatile market, you can miss your setup, or you can lose in your first or second trade, but don't try to force yourself. That will be my advice. Right now, I'm not trading anything because I know the pain when I miss my trade or when I try to force myself. Otherwise, I'm waiting for my setup to be formed, especially in GU. I hope it goes for some little bit downside, and this could be my setup, but let's see. But for gold, I missed this one. I missed on today's Asian session. Yesterday, I'm waiting for this kind of a manipulation, but it doesn't give me. Oof, fuck. This is around 900 pips. All dips are buying in gold. Yes, it's a buying opportunity. Nasdaq is not moving at all. Let me check some news and events on Twitter. Any current news or even seller strategy just bought 2.13 billion worth of Bitcoin. Nice one. Huge news for crypto and Bitcoin. So this is the topic, or this is the news from yesterday. It's going on. That's why dollar index and Euro USD or GBP USD, it's going very wild today because of this news. So it's about Greenland and EU Parliament with President Trump. So let's hope for the best. EU Parliament President says the Europe Union stands united with Denmark and Greenland against the US. We will always stand up for our way, and we will make no apologies for that. Let's see, guys, who wins. UK approves plan to build a new mega Chinese embassy in London featuring 2 underground rooms. That's negligible, and this is also a very informative news according to fundamentals. The Japanese 30 years yield, bond yield, it's and 40 years as well, 30 and 40 years. See, someone is saying Bitcoin will collapse, and on another side, Michael Seller is buying more 22,305 Bitcoin. That is around $2.13 billion in another side. So you need a very deep research if you are really interested on crypto. It's all about manipulation. Everything is manipulated. Every industry. Okay, gold is reaching to this level 4750 level right now. Silver is also getting higher. Okay, it's already reaching this level 4750 level, and let's see if it goes more higher. Than next target would be this IT levels and 800 levels. This one, this could be the next target for gold, but before that it can give some sort of retracement. Okay, let's see. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is going higher once again. Okay, 9:30 New York time. It's market opening right now. This would be a very nice level for Nasdaq if it goes higher. Okay, gold is getting a very good rejection from this level, 4750 level. Let's see if I get some opportunities. Then I will take an entry. Hmm. 1 hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes. Silver is dropping, guys. Silver is dropping. I hope gold can drop more. Gold can drop more to this level once again. But I'm not comfortable selling in gold. I will be looking for more buys on gold, buys opportunity. If it got retracement, that's totally fine. It will be a very good opportunity for buying again. So I will wait for retracement. What about GU? GU is not moving at all. let's see. Nice one. 3 hour candle. What about 4 hour? 4 hour is just opening. 13-minute time frame. 1 hour. This is 30-minute fair value gap over here with order blocks. See this, guys. This is just a 1 minute candle. And this is for 150 pips in just 1 minute candle. 150 pips. Fuck. It's moving like hell, bro. I can't risk that much. For just 1 minute candle, it's 156 pips. Okay, if GU is closing upside, then it will be very good level. but let's wait for that. It's very early to decide. Yes, brother, we are doing live each and every day. One day for futures and one day will be for Forex and CFD. Futures will be hosted by Mahesh and CFD or Forex Live will be hosting by me. Its market is very, very volatile. Let me check. Let me check. Come on, give me instruction. $9.45. Okay. Let me check on US 30. I will check for US 30 Dow Jones. What is the condition over here on US 30? Mhm. Okay. It's 60, 65 pips. Hmm, this would be the level. Pass phase one with your 4750 target, bro. Nice, brother. Nice. W on the chat. Come on, everyone. W on the chat. Someone is passing phase one from this trade, from this target, 4750. Nice. DXY tries to get some retracement. Okay, EU is dropping some points. You can do like this very easily. I need to be very careful about today because everything is very volatile and there is like there is a very there must be a risky trade if I'm doing scalping in gold or something like that because you can see over here and this is a 1 minute candle for 160 pips. So I'm not comfortable trading in this kind of price action. But let me see. If I see a very good setup, then I will. Otherwise, I will keep eye training. There is no reason to force myself. If you are forcing yourself, then you might be lucky today, but overall, it's not uh, like good for you. See, it's dropping again. And guys, where are you from? And please type W in the chat. Come on, guys. Someone is passing their phase one with 4750 target on goal. Nice one. I need to be very careful nowadays. Okay, GU is getting higher. Good one. Let me check something. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay, go silver is dropping from this level. This is 1 hour fair value gap over here and a very interesting level downside again. This order block will be very powerful with this gap with this gap. So if it this 1 hour candle, if it close below this gap or this order block, it can easily fill this downside liquidity over here for silver. So as of that, according to correlation, I need to be very careful when I'm trading on gold, because gold and silver will move together. Not perfectly, but it's very similar. It's like trading in Euro USD and GBP USD, or Nasdaq and S&P 500. Crypto update for Bitcoin. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, most of the top uh, cryptos. But for now, uh, I will not give you the financial advice. But as of me, for me, I will hold for longer term, and still I'm bullish on Bitcoin and all. As you can see today only, this Michael Saylor, this is just 1 hour news. Michael Saylor is again buying 22,305 Bitcoin for $2.13 billion. So this is not a joke, or he is not a dumb. So something is there. So that's why I'm very bullish on crypto as well. And once again, this man, Tom Lee, he is also buying another 35,628 Ethereum for $110 million. They are not dumb guys. They just know what will be happening in this coming some months or years. That's why long-term holding is the best. Yes, I'm still bullish on gold. For this year, 2026, my target for gold would be $5,000 per ounce. But it cannot be happening today or tomorrow, but uh, I truly believe it will reach 5,000 levels. Mhm. See, silver is rejecting from this level, this order block plus this volume gap. So I need to check 5 minutes. If I see some breakout upside, it will be good indication for me. Once again, breaking news 12 minutes back. I think this is around 100 million or 1 billion, I guess. USDT just minted. It's just minted means it's coming to the market as a liquidity. So it's a very good news for crypto as well. And for this in coming months, I hope as soon as possible, US market like stock market will be happening on chain. It will be convert on chain. So that is also a very bullish news for crypto. All the stock market in US will be on chain. Meaning, if you are buying any stocks, you will be on that stocks through blockchain. It will be implemented through blockchain, and stock market will open 24 hours a day. That there is also some bullish news. See this price action. That's why I'm not interested trading right now to enter any position right now. It's a very tricky price action. I don't want to force myself. And anybody trading on live account? I know most of you are trading in funded account, but anybody right here watching right now trading on live account, on your personal account? Currently, I am on a trade. This one, I'm currently trading on my personal account, live account. I'm still holding this one. This is on GBP USD buy. I'm holding on buy. Yes, in Octra trading. Okay, Octra trading. I know. Okay, I have been used this Octra trading 5 to 6 years back, a long time before when I started trading. And in I think it was in 2022, I got a lots of issue with withdrawing my funds. That's why I uh, never use that platform again. Trading evaluation, trading evaluation account on phase two. I just want to get done with it already. It's stress. It's fine, brother. If you are already in phase two, just don't force yourself. Okay, or if you want to be funded as much as possible, and if you lose today or if you are in drawdown, then it will affect you more. So as of my opinion, wait for your best setup, and you can risk 1.5%, 2% on that A plus setup. Otherwise, don't mess up around. Tau daba. FIU register, then there are lots of them, bro. I'm lay, lots of them, but I don't want to mention here because of some reason. Lots of them. Okay, silver wants to break upside. Let's see. This red line over here, this is a midnight opening level. So this will be a very key level For Nasdaq, yeah, spread will be big. And if you want a good one, then I can suggest for you, brother Mangang. Let's see S&P 500. Okay, 10 o'clock New York time. So I can plan for some setup right now in next 15 minutes. And if I see my setup, then I'll go for it. Otherwise, I will be done for the day. Let's hope I can see more setup in next 15 to 20 minutes. uh, I'm on a very small scalping, as you can see on gold. This is a very small risk. This is my entry level. My stop is somewhere here. I will just go for this one. I'm not interested looking higher on gold right now. So let's see. It's a very small scalping in my different account. If it get to this high, then my stop will be in break even, and I will book 100%. Sorry, around 70%. This would be because I don't want to risk my average risk percentage on this kind of price action. Okay, this will be a very good scalping. I will see. I will book some profit here. It's a very quick scalp. I'm booking around 70, around 60, 70%. Still, my stop is over here. And if it goes up higher, then my stop will be break even again. NZD NZD. I'm checking this is as well. NZD. This is ZU. Yep. Okay, my stop is still below this low, this over here, and somewhere here I book around 70% because I don't want to hold that much in this type of situation on gold, especially on gold. And on my live account, I will change my account to my live account. I'm holding this trade on GBP USD. Okay, right over here. This is a trade on GBP USD. This is my personal account, live account, not a funded account. It's going good right now. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. After it goes to this side, my stop will be break even, and still I'm holding only 30%. 70% is almost done. Booking profit over here. Okay, nice, nice. So 20% consistency rule explain tentang Dovira Mukot funded gitu. Okay. 20% consistency rule means your base trade must be not more than 20% of your total profit. For example, if your target is $1,000, then in a single trade or in a single day, it depends on that particular prop firm. Just read that your consistency must be for single trade or single day. It depends. But let's say for single trade, if your target is $1,000, then from that $1,000, 20% is around $200. So in a single trade, your profit must not exceed more than $200 in a single trade. Understand? Your base trade. Or if it counts by end of the day, then for that whole day, it will count with a whole day. Or for a single trade, it will count for a single one, every with your every entry. Today's move, do you if you want to see today's move, then the main reason behind that, I will show you the main reason. Where? This is the main reason. Today, DXY dollar index and Forex pairs like EU and GU moving a lot. This is one of the main reason over here. Okay, and the most effective is right over here. President Trump approved legislation imposing 500%. Just imagine 500% tariffs. Tariff is just kind of a tax. It's kind of a tax within export and import within countries. It's a kind of a tax. So he is imposing. He already approved. Trump already approved legislation imposing 500% tariff on the EU and other countries buying Russian oil. This is one of the main reasons for today's volatility in the market, especially in EU and GU and dollar index. And that's why gold is going upside non-stop. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. If it gets upside, if it breaks to this high, if it candle closing above this high, then I would love to take a buy on Nasdaq, and my target would be these highs, first target, and this one again, right of here. If it close above this high within next 10 minutes. Gold is consolidating on this level, 4750 level. I don't do this kind of scalping very frequently. I do sometimes when price is very messy around like this. Just one-to-one scalping. For futures market, look for the afternoon session because after the bank holiday, at first morning tend to be choppy. Yeah, you are right, brother. You are right. You are right. But currently, I'm not trading in futures. So Mahesh, my partner, he will be trading futures, live trading futures as well. So uh, he can handle that. But for me, it's normal for me because currently I'm not trading in futures. Ta- 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 ta. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. And guys, do you have sometimes or do you feel sometimes that you are down too much or you are losing again and again in the market and you don't know where you are going, you are confusing yourself, uh, and you are not believing in yourself, you can't see the futures, and you feel like I'm doing trading right now and I don't even making a single penny from trading and I'm still working my ass off to become a profitable trader. And sometimes it's very confusing, like should I go further or should I stop now? So do you guys feel that in your journey? Nasdaq. I hope Bitcoin is going down right now. Yep, these levels. BTC and NAS. This is 4 hour time frame. What about 3 hours? Okay, 3 hour will be closing in 40 minutes. Okay, guys, let me check. I hope I might be stop out because of the spread. Let me see. I'm not stopping out. Just see, I'm not stopping out this trade. I'm still on the trade. That's how luck works. So you need to be working hard each and every day, and suddenly you are gaining experience for a long time. I'm gaining experience for a long time and working hard each and every day. And when suddenly luck or lucky on a lucky day, I can make a lot of money, guys, on a lucky day if I'm working very hard. So that's how it works. See, I think this is around 1 pip or 2 pips, something like that, from here to here. It's around 2 pips. I'm missing my stop loss with 2 pips. I think it will get now. So this is why, see, the price is very messy, even in 1 minute time frame. So that's why I'm booking my profit as soon as possible over here, because I don't want to risk much. And I'm not risking 1% or 2% on this trade. I'm risking only 0.3%. Now, done. Hit my stop loss. See, hit my stop loss. And I'm not in a loss because I'm almost booking 70%. So a small percentage, like 0.1%, I'm gaining on this trade. That's why I'm not risking that much. So this is called an experience. If I were a beginner and 3 4 years back, I would risk 1% or 2% on this trade, or even I can jump over, like, on this retracement or on this one. So it's all depends on your experience. Okay, guys, I'll tell you one thing. For GBP USD, this equal high is very, very likely, and it can go higher to this level for GU. 1.35168 level. I'm still holding this trade. My stop is somewhere here. I'm still holding this trade. And for gold, already hit my target. That is 4750 level. Exactly, it hit my target and went for some retracement. So it can go for more retracement and go higher in future. So if it go higher from this level, then next target would be 4780 level, and 4800, 4800 and 4780 would be the next target for gold if it goes higher. Okay, guys, that's it. And have a very great week, guys, and thank you so much for watching this live. Please make sure that you like this stream. Please share this stream as well and comment down below, and see you guys in my next live. Good night, good morning, good evening to all of you, everyone. Bye bye. See you in my next live. Peace.